My name is Guillermo Suarez, is 13 years old. I am from Pamplona, Colombia. I live my parents in city Pamplona. I am security guard. I am a student annually in civil works management and construction. My favorite hobby is totally music. My favorite debate is Maudan. And my favorite sport, soccer and basketball. My family is constituted for people. My father is Luis Antonio. He is 75 years old. He is a typographer. He is Colombian. My father is very friendly. He is tall and thick. He is fun and amazing. My mother is Marta Trinidad. She is 68 years old. She is a housewife. She is Colombian. My mother is very keen. She is short. Her edges are blue and she is black hair. My brother is John Alexander. He is 41 years old. He is in South Tennis and she is mouth. My brother is very nice. He lives my father.